Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Good morning. I'm looking for some new clothes today.
Good morning. Welcome to our store. What are you looking for?
I need some new pants and maybe a pair of shorts. I really like the style of jeans, but I want something more comfortable too.
Certainly. Let me show you our selection. We have a range of jeans that never go out of fashion. This style here is one of our best sellers.
They look nice, but I already have several pairs of jeans. I'm looking for something different today. How about these trousers? They seem a bit softer.
Of course, we have these casual trousers available in several colors. They come in black, navy blue, and gray. Which color do you prefer?
I usually wear colors that match my shirts well. I think gray might be a good choice, but I also like the look of brown. Do you have trousers in brown?
Let me check. Yes, we do have a pair in brown. They are made from a lightweight fabric, so they are very comfortable.
Great. Could I try them on? I want to see if they fit well.
Absolutely. Our fitting rooms are right over there. Take your time and let me know if you need a different size.
I tried them on and they feel very comfortable. The fit is just right. I also like that they are easy to match with different shirts.
I'm glad you like them. By the way, these trousers are very popular. They were originally priced at $70, but they are on sale today.
Oh, really? How much are they now?
They're now $55. We also have a promotion. If you buy 2 items today, you can get an extra 10% discount on both.
That's interesting. I was thinking of getting a pair of shorts as well. Do you have shorts that might match these trousers?
Yes, we do. We have these casual shorts in brown, which can work with many different styles. However, they are slightly different from the trousers. They are more relaxed in style, almost like cargo shorts.
I see. I like the idea though. I want to have options for different weather. Let me try the shorts as well.
Of course, they come in sizes 32 and 34. Which size do you usually wear?
I think I'm a size 32. I'll try these on. The shorts fit me well, but I am not sure if they go with a dress shirt. I usually wear my shorts in casual settings.
That makes sense. The shorts are designed more for casual wear, so they might look best with a t-shirt or a polo shirt.
Yes, you're right. Even so, I think they are a good option for the summer.
Would you like to try both the trousers and the shorts together with the promotion?
Yes, that sounds like a good idea. With the 10% discount, I will save some money. How much would that be in total?
Let me calculate that for you. The trousers are $55 and the shorts are $40. Together, they cost $95. With a 10% discount, you save $9.50, so your total is $85.50.
That is a very good deal. However, I only have $80 with me today,
I understand, Michael. Sometimes you can come back later when you have more funds. We have a flexible return policy if you decide to purchase later.
That's too bad. I would like to buy them today, but I guess I could come back tomorrow.
Our store is open until 9 p.m. every day, so you can come back in the evening if that works better for you.
That might work. I have to work until 5 p.m., so I can stop by after work.
That sounds like a plan. Also, I can note your contact details and reserve a pair of trousers and shorts for you if you'd like.
That would be very helpful, Emma. My name is Michael Carter, and my phone number is 5551234. Please reserve the brown trousers in size 32 and the brown shorts in size 32 as well.
Certainly, Michael. I've made a note. Brown trousers, size 32, and brown shorts, size 32. The current price for both with the discount will be $85.50.
Perfect, thanks. Do you offer any loyalty programs? I sometimes shop here and would like to save money.
Yes, we have a loyalty card. Every time you shop, you earn 1 point for every $10 spent. After collecting 10 points, you receive a $5 discount on your next purchase.
That sounds great. I'll sign up for the loyalty card today.
I can help you with that. Just fill out this short form with your name and phone number, and you'll be registered.
There, it's done. How long does it take to start earning points?
You start earning points immediately with your first purchase. Just bring your loyalty card every time you shop.
Excellent. I appreciate your help, Emma. I think I will come back after work tomorrow and complete my purchase.
You're welcome, Michael. Before you leave, would you like me to show you some of our other popular items?
Sure, I'm always interested in new trends. What else do you have here?
We have a new collection of casual shirts that many customers love. They come in white, light blue, and gray. They are made of soft cotton, perfect for the summer.
That sounds nice. I often wear casual shirts with jeans or shorts. How much do they cost?
They are priced at $30 each. And if you buy two, you get a 15% discount on both.
That's interesting. I might consider that in the future.
Also, our store often has seasonal promotions. Last month, we had a back-to-summer sale, and many items were discounted by up to 20%.
I see. I will keep an eye on your store's announcements. Do you have a website or newsletter I can subscribe to?
Yes, we do. You can subscribe to our newsletter on our website, and we send out updates about new collections and special offers every week.
That is very useful. I like to be informed about deals so I can plan my shopping accordingly.
Great. I will give you our website address on this card. It has all the information you need.
Thank you, Emma. I really appreciate your assistance today. I feel confident about my choices and the deals I get.
It was my pleasure, Michael. I always enjoy helping customers find what they need. If you have any questions tomorrow, feel free to ask.
I will, Emma. Thank you again. I'm looking forward to coming back after work tomorrow and completing my purchase.
Wonderful. I'll be here to assist you when you return. Have a great day at work, and I hope you enjoy your new clothes when you try them on at home.
I'm sure I will. Have a great day, Emma, and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Michael. Goodbye.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.